Makeup for gentle and feminine style. Makeup has always been an important aspect of enhancing one's natural beauty. It can transform a person's appearance and boost their confidence. For those who prefer a more soft and feminine look, there are a variety of makeup techniques and products that can be used to achieve this style. Firstly, when it comes to creating a gentle and feminine makeup look, it's important to start with a good skincare routine. A clean and well-hydrated face is the perfect canvas for makeup application. This means cleansing, toning, and moisturizing the skin regularly to keep it healthy and glowing. Once the skin is prepped, it's time to move on to makeup application. A light coverage foundation or tinted moisturizer can be used to even out the skin tone and provide a natural-looking base. Concealer can be used to cover any blemishes or dark circles under the eyes. Next, it's time to add some color to the face. A soft pink or peach blush can be applied to the apples of the cheeks to give a subtle flush of color. For the eyes, neutral shades such as beige, taupe, and light brown can be used to create a soft and natural-looking eye makeup. A thin line of brown or black eyeliner can be used to define the eyes, followed by a coat of mascara to add volume and length to the lashes. For the lips, a soft pink or coral shade can be used to complete the overall feminine look. A lip gloss or sheer lipstick can be applied for a more natural finish, or a matte lipstick can be used for a more polished look. In addition to makeup application, there are some other tips and tricks that can help enhance a soft and feminine appearance. For example, grooming the eyebrows can help frame the face and give a more polished look. Soft, loose waves or a sleek ponytail can also complement the overall feminine style. It's important to keep in mind that makeup should enhance one's natural features, rather than completely transforming them. A soft and feminine look is all about subtle enhancements and keeping the overall appearance natural and effortless. In conclusion, makeup can be a powerful tool for enhancing one's natural beauty and achieving a soft and feminine look. With the right techniques and products, it's possible to create a gentle and feminine appearance that reflects one's personal style and boosts their confidence. When it comes to achieving a soft and feminine makeup look, it's important to take into consideration the individual's skin type and tone. For example, those with fair skin may want to opt for lighter shades, while those with darker skin tones may want to choose richer colors to complement their features. Another important aspect of achieving a soft and feminine makeup look is to use products that have a lightweight and natural finish. Heavy and cakey products can detract from the natural beauty of the face and make the overall look appear less effortless. When it comes to eye makeup, using soft and subtle shades can help to create a more delicate and feminine appearance. For example, a light pink or champagne eyeshadow can be used to highlight the inner corner of the eyes, while a soft brown or taupe shade can be used on the outer corner to create depth and dimension. When it comes to eyeliner, a soft and subtle winged liner can help to enhance the shape of the eyes and create a more feminine look. For those who prefer a more natural look, a brown liner can be used instead of black to create a softer effect. When it comes to lip color, a soft and natural shade can help to enhance the overall feminine appearance. A lip balm or tinted lip gloss can be used